Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. We are playing with the white pieces and we are winning. But to win this position, you must find the only winning move. Before I said anything else, let me give you a quick pro tip. That tip is a rook against a bishop is actually a draw. So how does white winning this? Well, white has a better position and black king is boxed out by the white king, right? So black is not in a good position, and by exploiting that, we can actually win this. That is the main logic and idea behind this puzzle. As always, guys, go ahead, pause the video and cast a move. Best of luck. So welcome back. So these ideas looks nice, right? You are going to just deliver checkmate here by playing rook to g4, rook to h4, probably rook to a4. That looks nice. They all threaten a checkmate. But if we just played any of them, black would just move the king, right? And from this position on, we can't do anything. Black is escaping, and you may just, in this position, you may just give a check, but that doesn't help. Black will just escape, right? So black will escape that way, and if we just play rook to a4, the same thing is gonna happen. Black would just escape, right? Black would just play bishop to c7 check, and you have to move the king somewhere, and now black is just escaping, right? So you may just give this check, but that doesn't matter. Black is going to go out from the edge of the board, and this is not going to give you the win. So that is the idea. And the first correct move is to play rook to b4 with the same idea to threaten checkmate on b8. So the thing in this position is the black can't move the king actually, because we are going to just capture the bishop, right? So for that reason, black must move the bishop. Black must move the bishop somewhere. And if black just move the bishop randomly, like bishop to e3, we are going to deliver checkmate on b8. With that idea, black has to defend the b8 square. So that is going to be an obvious logic. So in this position, black is going to play, black is already played c7, and again, only one move can win this game. So go ahead, pause the video, and again, guess the next move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So if black does that, what we are going to do is play rook to c4. Again, black can't move the bishop away because this is going to be simply just checkmate. So how can black defend this checkmate? So black has to do, black can play bishop to d8, and black can play this diagonal to just defend the checkmate. So with both of the moves, we are going to play rook to c8. So now we are pinning the bishop, and the king has to move to its only square, king to f8, and we are going to just capture the bishop, and this is winning obviously. So if black does if black retreats this way and still defend the d8 square, we still just play c8, rook to c8, and black has to defend. That is the only move in fact. And now what we are going to do is play a waiting move with our rook. So again, black is forced to move, and this is once again a winning position. So this is the variation. The other variation is if black moves this way. So what do we do now? Well, now we are going to play rook to a4. So again, with the same idea, we are threatening checkmate on a8, so black has to deal with that, and the only move that can prevent that checkmate is to play bishop to b8, and we are going to pin the bishop, and we are completely winning this. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, if you got all of them, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I'll see you next video. Bye.